Welcome to Mathline. We have this question and it said, evaluate root 12 plus root 12 all over root 3. Now, as simple as this question can be, at times it can also be confusing. But let me teach you what to do in this kind of question when you come across this kind of question. First and foremost, you notice that we have root 3 and we also have root 12. So what we need to do here is that we have to look for two numbers that we can multiply together that is such that one will give us a perfect square and the other one will be non-perfect square. What do we mean by perfect square? A perfect square, a number that they multiply themselves together and they will give you that number. For instance, we can say 1 times 1 is equals to 1, and 2 times 2 is equals to 4, 3 times 3 is equals to 9, 4 times 4 is equals to 16. These are perfect square. But in this question, we don't need 1 here because 1 is not stated there. All right? So let's move forward. So solution to this. I need to write root 12 plus root 12 over root 3. So for us to get two numbers that will multiply together such that one will be a perfect square and the other one will not be a perfect square, let us look at 4 times 3. 4 is a perfect square and this will give us 12. So in that case, when we have root 12, we now use 4 times 3. So in doing that, we cannot say that this is root 4 times 3 plus root 4 times 3 over root 3. Now don't forget, one of the laws of surd, it says that if you have two numbers together, A times B, expressed in this way, we can also express them in the other way, that this is A times root B. That is root A times root B. So if that be the case, we are going to express this and we apply the same law here. So if we apply the same law, which means that we have a root 4 times root 3 plus root 4 times root 3 all over root 3. So if we do that, because we have a perfect square, the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 4 here is 2, because this is not a perfect square, so we're not going to square the 3. So which means that we have 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 all over root 3. Let me take this up. So we have 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 all over root 3. Because these two, they are the same and they are equal, we'll take one of it, then we'll add these numbers together. So we have 2 plus 2 will give us 4 root 3 all over root 3. So in that case, we can say root 3 strike at root 3. That means that our answer is equals to 4. I hope you found this interesting. Please like and share our videos, and I'll see you in our next class. Thank you.